Tesla celebrates key milestone for 4,680 battery cell production. Tesla has highlighted an important 4,680 battery cell milestone in recent weeks, noting that its Texas manufacturing team for the hardware has scaled production enough to outpace the cost-effectiveness of outside suppliers. During Tesla's first quarter all-hands-on-deck meeting held a few weeks ago, CEO Elon Musk shared a number of recent milestones. One of them, as was also reiterated after the meeting by Michael Guilfoyle, Tesla's Giga Texas Director of Cell Manufacturing, is the fact that the company's in-house 4,680 battery cells have earned their place as the lowest-cost battery cell produced per kilowatt-hour. Musk also pointed out during the meeting that the achievement is particularly impressive, given that many of the company's suppliers dedicate all or most of their businesses to battery cell manufacturing, while Tesla focuses on several other business sectors and still managed to surpass the milestone. Check out Guilfoyle's full message below, as posted on LinkedIn, or watch Tesla's Q1 all-hands meeting below that. Been waiting to acknowledge this great achievement by Tesla's 4680 cell manufacturing team since the end of last year, but as Elon announced last night, our cell manufacturing team in Texas reached a huge milestone at the end of 2024, with becoming the lowest cost per kilowatt-hour battery cell producer for Tesla. The grit, determination, and passion of our team is unbelievable in helping deliver our mission. Big thank you to our entire engineering and production teams for making this happen. It's the greatest honor of my career to lead this team and make such an impact in our mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. And we aren't done yet. 2025 will have more big milestones with fully ramped dry battery electrode manufacturing to deliver even more cost efficiency. Exciting teams continue to be ahead. Cheers to this world-class team. Tesla working on 4 dry cathode 4,680 battery variants. The information. Although Tesla also sources its 4,680 batteries from multiple other suppliers, including Panasonic and LG Energy Solution, the company has also been working to scale up in-house production of the cells over the past few years. In September, Tesla officially surpassed a milestone of producing 100 million 4,680 battery cells, after surpassing 50 million last June and exceeding 20 million in October 2023. Tesla initially unveiled the 4,680 battery cell during a 2020 Battery Day event, during which it explained the cost and efficiency benefits of the battery size in comparison with the 2,170 form factor. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.